Hello, beautiful Fubsters. Want to go over a cool new little slick update that happened if we go and check out our groups. So we're going to hit our admin and then groups. If you haven't seen this already, I think a couple of weeks ago they did a little bit of a visual update. So we're looking really sleek and clean in here. You can see the types individually. We've got our agents, our lenders. But what's really cool is this new first to claim feature. So if you come in, and I definitely encourage you guys to all come and check and make sure, because this is dealing with our selecting of the fallback. So come in, check your groupings, make sure everything looks right and tight. Some of these may have changed with this update. That's a really cool update that we're about to show. So obviously you can still see here we've got round robin, first to claim. You still have a certain amount of time. I believe it's still only up to 30 minutes that you can have this claim timer on. But what's really cool is our new fallback setting of being able to fall back to pawns. So, still the same options here of being able to go to a different group or to a different individual on the team. But having this pawns option is going to be next level. I know a lot of people have some certain automations and stuff to kind of make this happen. Now we could do it right here directly in our groups, which is amazing. So we're going to get Lee's Pond. That's where every of these new rentals are going to be going now. Save those changes and happy grouping, y'all.